Welcome back, YouTube. Back here at OJT Barage, working on the Honda Accord motor today. Just finishing up some loose ends.
Not the motor, the actual car.
Well, the whole car, yeah, the whole car. Well, Jerome right now is just replacing the fuel rail, putting that back in. Just did spark plugs, and then we just gotta button up some of the interior pieces that goes around the shifter, and that's pretty much it, really. Not too much more to do, and then we're gonna take it for a quick drive and just make sure everything is all buttoned up and ready to go. I'll show you guys the motor and install. If you guys didn't miss that one, you should go check out the last few episodes. And we took the motor, we put a new one in, went to F23, putting what was that shifter again that we used last time? It was a K-swap shifter, and we did that, and pretty much just finishing it up. So stay tuned. Okay, so got the clutch line changed out. Got the fuel line on, everything running now. Doing the coolant right now. And what else we gotta do after that? I don't think there's too much more to do after that, other than, right? No. Just waiting for the coolant, get all the air out of the cooling system. But it's running. It's doing good. So with all the change that you did, how much horses do you think you're gonna?
I'm not about to sit here and talk about horses. I'm about to make 120.
What?
It ain't nothing crazy.
Nah, but you changed the water bottle. You did
At most 130.
what?
I don't think these guns, they don't make that much motor like this. Their compressor issue is like 8 to 1. Alright, realistically 150.
Yay!
But I'm not like, I got 150.
Yeah.
So I can put all that on down bottom.
Had a fuel return line issue we're trying to fix right now.
Not serious.
Had a small, no, not serious, just a small leak. No, nothing that's gonna stop us. We're just letting them know what's going on.
Hot beef, I reek. Almost cussed.
Tools in a little bit of a disarray because I took away the table. Such a mouse looking for stuff.
Oh man.
What happened?
My clippers is up top.
Oh. I was going down too.
Grab something.
You know I dropped my camera.
Yes, it is. Cool.
Still working on that fuel line. Trying to get from underneath the return line.
I should have seen what size were these before I put these up here. Not enough smart.
Trial and error. In case you guys are wondering too, we have to take the car to a welder for the header. It's not matching up right. You guys probably seeing that in here, but we're not worried about that at the moment. That's for later.
Nope, there's definitely something that's up top now.
Was you gonna go with a eBay turbo kit? You think?
Piece together some of
Some
eBay.
piece of them. Yeah.
Some
Or what you
good
could do
parts,
is,
some eBay parts.
or what you could do is you can get like the eBay like manifolds and stuff like that, and then maybe go with a decent turbo. You know. So a lot of people do would just use the manifolds.
Yeah.
And then get like a.
Well, it ain't a lot of manifolds. There's not a lot of manifold options for the Accord, so kind of got no choice but to go to eBay route on that.
Yeah. It's not like there's not a lot of people out here doing Accords either, you know. So it's a good bit out there.
Just not as obviously popular
As Civics and Tegras and RSXs and the rest of the Honda crew. You guys are kind of like the drunk uncles. You hear? I said the Honda Accord people are kind of like the drunk uncles. The uncle that at the family gathering who's like, hey, you got some weed? You're like, yeah, are you smoking?
This works. I need a bigger thing than this.
Oh, it's alright.
Crap.
Didn't get the camera, so that's good. You need me to step in? Use your hands?
No.
Alright. What happened?
Broke the line.
I'm angry!
And I just compressed this thing. I gotta go get one of these.
Alright, let's go then.
1 hour later.
Okay, we back. We had to go to the store and go get another fitting. Because the fuel line had broke on us, so fixing that now. And as soon as we get this fixed, we should be able to turn the car back on. This is just the return line. Oops. Get out your way. Finishing up the little bit we had left from that fuel return line. Almost done. Just want to take it on the road for a little bit to see how it do. Well, what's up?
Clutch trying to press it in like you said with your hand, and then
Yeah.
the clutch is harder than I thought.
Yep. It's still leaking? What, from the same place?
Huh?
From the same place up here?
From
With that joint you gotta make it tighter?
I guess so. I don't really know. Try and tighten it.
At least it's not leaking from the other spot where it was before, you know.
Yeah.
Tighten it.
Let's see.
Well, we just took our first drive in that boat. You guys are about to see.
Man, did you hear how much air just suction out of this thing?
That ride is loud, but we gotta get the exhaust fixed.
Back to using 93.
Well, at least it's cheap now.
Yeah, somewhat. Not here.
I wish I would have brought some earplugs. Earplugs.
We gotta get it on video how loud the VTEC cracked.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's recording now.
Imagine if I had put those K20 pistols in there. I think I'd be...
Can you hook up your lights now or no? So we don't get pulled over by the Jakes?
Sorry, what, do I need my headlights on right now?
Yeah, it's raining.
I don't have no headlights in.
Oh.
They're in the green car.
Oh,
because the green car was blown when I first got that car.
Oh,
so
okay.
I just swapped the headlights.
Well, we got the Rona. It pull us over. Put my seatbelt on here. Come on, try to kill him. Yeah, I'll take it on the back road. Just take a left. I just like. I should go that way. Oh, you low. Scraping. I did take a left here. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's some skirt. Nowhere near VTEC either right now.
Yeah. You got like 4,000 RPM right about now. Take it right here. Definitely got that pull. Huh? Definitely got that pull. You can feel the pull.
There's really no background. It'll pull once that closes up.
Yeah.
That strong. Look how much on E I was. $10 they don't even.
That gas is expensive too.
Oh yeah, that's
Sorry for those who are wearing headphones.
I'm not going two-step launch it. I want the clutch to break it.
Yeah.
I'll hit the two-step though. Just to leave it down.
Yeah. I got my Nature's Air plug here. So I'm thinking, get arrested. Pulling right behind your stuff, you know? I should be able to get the trailer out here and park it. That was really crazy. I'm ready to get out of here.
Yeah, he's good at this. Yeah, this sound like a king.
All right, YouTube. So that was today's video. So we got it on the road. Fuel lines fixed, clutch line fixed. What else did you get fixed today?
Fuel line, clutch
Fuel
line.
That lasted a little bit.
Bleeding the coolant, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, bleeding the cooling, and then we got on the road. So and with the little test ride, we'll do a all around end of pretty much series with the Accord once it's not raining and once it's all cleaned up and polished stuff, so we can do it right, you know, and then we'll go from there.
Bad.
Yeah.
Bad. Got months of dust on it right now.
And then next come up, we got a new series coming up too with the Forester build, and we'll do an introduction on that one coming up. That one's gonna be a big one because that one's like a ground up build. And
definitely got two directions we want to go with that car, but
yeah,
still keeping it up in the air at the moment.
So we're gonna rely a lot on you Subaru guys to help us out on that one, because this is gonna be my first Subaru build. Yours your first one too, right?
That's a Subaru.
Yeah. So this is gonna be our first time doing a Subaru anything. So we're gonna need you guys' help. So, but until then, like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Peace.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post to say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them